Hi everyone! In this video, we take a look at Excel reports in the OneCore Loans app. On the main page, go to Financing and choose Financing Overview. Then click on Download and open Excel. Click on Enable Editing for working with this report with your company data. First, save this template to your PC, record back into the app, and then download it again. Here you can see information about the financing overview, net profit overview, total amount overdue, contract balance, and debit amount. All pivot tables and charts contain information from sheet data. In pivot tables, it's possible to set filters by your conditions. For example, net profit overview of contracts only in status closing. You can also edit the style or color of charts by your conditions. Let's take a look at the benefits of Excel reports. The first benefit is that you see all important company data shown in the charts, so you have a better overview of individual facts. Another benefit is that every time you download the report from the system, the data will be always current, so you can work with the report anytime you need. The third benefit is the editability of charts and filtering in tables. Just in a few clicks, you can change the style or the color of the charts or filter data upon your requirements. Read more about the loans management software on our website, or you can contact our account manager by email.